Thursday at 5 p.m., my manager messages me. There's an opportunity to build something. Friday afternoon, I'm demoing to managers and directors. This is exactly what happened in between. The requirement from our team is to build a centralized management system where users and publishers across the entire enterprise can manage banners. What I knew was the architecture my manager described. What I didn't know was how to build it fast enough to matter. I had one evening and one morning, so I went straight to AI. On Friday morning, I took what my manager described and fed it straight into ChatGPT. Here's the architecture, here's the goal, give me a POC roadmap. What came back from ChatGPT was a scope sequence plan that I actually could execute in hours, not weeks. Instead of spending the morning figuring out where to start, I had a roadmap from ChatGPT in minutes. And that's the move. I built the actual thing in VS Code using GitHub Copilot Agent Mode. I like GPT 5.2 codecs. I told the agent exactly what I wanted. A brand new repo, HTML, and JavaScript for frontend, Python for backend. In about 30 minutes, I had a working frontend and backend, a real dashboard with real functionalities. The dashboard showed a couple of text entries: start time for the banner and end time, the banner data, the application. A publisher can come in here to the dashboard and publish a banner. This isn't a toy project. This is something I built for work at an enterprise company that I later demoed to leadership. My teammate had already created the AWS architecture. It goes from SNS to SQS to Lambda and finally S3 and DynamoDB. He walked me through it in about 10 minutes. I listened, understood the flow, and connected my front end to it. I didn't need to build the AWS side. I needed to understand it well enough to connect my piece to it. That's a different skill, and AI helped me get there fast. Friday afternoon, I'm in a room demoing my dashboard to managers and directors. Less than 24 hours after the ask. AI didn't just save me time. It gave me the confidence to say yes to an opportunity I might have hesitated before. That's what this channel is about, not AI hype. Real work, real timelines, what actually happened. If you're an early career engineer trying to grow faster at work using AI, this is the channel. One video a week, real stuff only. Subscribe and drop a comment. What's the fastest you ever had to ship something at work? I want to know.